It got really interesting really quick. We're not nipping, right? No nips. Ow. See, these might be press-ons, but these do not come off. That's how I know I had the other one on. Wow.
Did that hurt?
Yes, it hurt like hell. They hurt like hell. One time. Cause I lick my lips.
Making my way downtown.
Walking fast. That's how that's what the thing say. I don't know. Blah blah. That's what I heard. That's the song I heard. Look, they be like.
One blood or
girl, where the other one at? Where's the other one?
what?
The red is up. God.
Yeah.
But I just try to light a candle. Light a candle.
Maybe sweets now my stomach is hurt.
Light the
Not
door.
sweets, but like.
I know what you mean. Light. Thank you. I'm gonna light a candle for you. Oh. Light a candle for me.
See, you work. I was about to say, they one of them don't like you, the other don't like you.
This one don't like this one. Light. I'm the goddess. No, I'm just. It's the quiet storm. Whatever my address is, Addison, Texas. It's the quiet storm. Were you watching his live when he started doing that?
Mm-mm.
When he was reading the story, he did that deep voice.
Oh, boy.
Yeah. Oh, you missed it then. He was just like, yeah, we about to get on there. About to read this story here. And I forgot what the name was.
That weird story he was reading.
I can't read. Can you see what they're saying? I see the word beautiful. The word beautiful. I can't see.
As always, how are you?
Hey, who's that? I think that says TikTok for life.
We do.
Hey, how are you doing? How's the family? How's the baby? I know the baby's good.
Nice looking baby. Soapy.
Oh, don't read those.
Hello, dear. How are you?
So I know whenever we start streaming, you're going to be reading. I'll be like, we're going to be playing the game. I'll be like, Jasmine.
Bro, I'm like, what? Oh, you thought I missed that. Blah.
Why not Berlin cussing himself out on stream? It's okay. We eggs. Don't get mad. We eggs. We eggs. What's up? How y'all doing? We eggs though. What is that? Easy game girls. That's why we be talking about. I be talking about Berlin a lot. But I can't talk about Berlin by myself. She be talking about Berlin too. I don't know. Earlier, I mentioned I was like, I'll be single forever. I like fake guys. And then I thought about it. I was just like, are they really fake? I feel like in some realm, form, or fashion, there's somebody named Ichigo. Kurosaki. And I'm gonna be right there. I'll be like, oh my god, you're a real person. But even my anime fantasies be, girl, because whenever I be having them dreams about Guy Sensei, that is yours. I finished my waters. You finished your drink. I finished my water. Now you finish your water, and I'll finish my drink. I can't read the messages, y'all. I'm so sorry.
They said, hey. They said,
hey. What'd they say?
Are you gonna be streaming where? Which app?
Oh, I think ETA, like middle of February, I'll be streaming on Twitch. I reached out to my cousin because I told him, me and my cousin used to game together when we were kids. He still games. He's like partner. He's really good, and I was talking to him about what system I should buy. Did you see the status I posted? Everybody was talking crap. Get a PS5, get a PS4, get an Xbox. This is better, blah, blah, blah. Bro, I'm just telling you. I just asked for advice, and everybody's trying to tell me which one's... I already know which one I want. But what is a better investment if I'm going to stream on Twitch?
Right.
So, my cousin, because he's my cousin, he was like, okay, you could really get either console, but if you're going to stream on Twitch, eventually you're going to need to get a PC. So he's like, when you ready, call me. I'm going to help you build your PC. And I was like, bet. And at first I was going to buy one. I sent him some stuff. He said, no, you need to build your own. You need to build your own that's tailored to your needs. And I was like, okay, yes, sir. Mm-hmm. So we talking middle of February. Supposed to be starting streaming. We just gonna start going live more, and I'm gonna try to start doing stuff on YouTube. Ooh, what that hoe say? Big and crispy, like my baby. Big and crispy. Megabyte. That's what it say on the back. Megabyte. Somebody said something, and I could not see.
What's your Twitter tag?
Check I got a link tree on my profile. Check that and come back.
Just popping in to say, hey, you are important and you are worth it.
Baby, you're important. You're worth it. Check that mirror. Iron rubber, you are glue. Whatever compliment or thing that you decide to say to me, make sure you go check out the mirror and say it to yourself as well. You deserve to be told that you're beautiful.
Yeah. Can I get some else?
What?
Talking about what?
What is it? Girl, that's a piece of a brownie.
God damn. Alright.
Who's streaming? It's still downloading something. Oh, it's Twitter.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
This is bad.
Big and crispy.
Okay, I'm gonna go buy them.
I know. Do you want the rest?
Go for it.
You want the rest of them when you leave? You can have them.
Okay.
Because I'm not going to, I'm already a little turned off on the megabytes.
Why? You like the minis?
I like the minis.
The minis, the baby girlfriend. I like them too.
I like the little ones. The baby ones. These are too big.
I feel that.
They be swimming in just counting. Oh no. Yeah. They so big. They got the beef. These fish so big. They got beef. They are vegetarian crackers. And they got beef.
They got beef. And she don't like the big ones. She like the mini ones, y'all. Small ones. Baby goldfish.
Clearly. Pop goes the goldfish. That don't sound right. What is it? They got beef. They are vegetarian crackers. And they got beef.
They got beef. She don't like the big ones. She like the mini ones. Yeah.
Oh my god!
Small ones. Baby goldfish.
Clearly. Got caught on candid camera. These fish
I was like,
they got beef. They are. Mm-mm.
they got beef.
It's still downloading. It's gonna take a long time down out. I ain't even hear them. Busting out the bando. And something in the blip. I don't know. What was I doing just now?
Mm-hmm.
Was I being ratchet? Was I being ghetto? I can't see nothing. I can't see. That's why I got this Evie on my wrist, because look at Evie, y'all.
Someone said milk mummy.
Look at Evie.
Somebody said, where you from?
Did they say easy or am I tripping?
They said crazy.
Easy. I thought it said easy.
Be easy.
Be easy. Easy gang. They said, where you from? We from Dallas. Nigga, I'm from Dallas. No. North side is the best side when you ride. I can't rap, so that was terrible. But you see how Evie ain't got no eyes. Now look at my eyes and look at her eyes. Check that out. Ain't that something?
They said I just left Dallas.
You just a little Dallas. I can't see.
They said Orlando.
Oh, they in Orlando. Baby, we going to Orlando. I just came back from Miami. We just came back from Mexico.
We did. We just came back from Mexico.
We went to Mexico yesterday. Oh, no, that wasn't yesterday. That was on Monday.
Quick little trip.
It's a quick little trip. Skirt. We wasn't skirting nothing. We were stuck in traffic. But we went to Mexico on Monday. It was fun.
I'm from Memphis, Tennessee.
Do you like big girls? I love niggas from Memphis. I don't. I am an equal opportunity employer. I am an equal opportunity. I can't say what I want to say because TikTok gonna be like, no. I'm gonna stop joking. I got somebody that I talk to now.
It don't feel good to say that you talk to someone now. It depends who the person is, really, cause yeah.
I mean, we went on a date. Usually, if a dude don't want to go in public with me, cause I mean, and I don't want no people like, so it'll be mean to me and whatever. But if you feel, it don't matter if you look like Beyonce or look like me. It don't matter who you are. You could be an ant, a camel, a cow, or this water bottle. If you are not to be able to be taken out in public by your partner, they ain't for you. They not for you. You might as well go get go get some money. I mean, what else?
Was that in the camera? I'm sorry.
You're not. It don't matter. They know they know I'm talking to someone. I can't see. I was trying to tell y'all earlier that I can't see. What did I say?
Put that dick up, we not bugging.
Oh.
They said I love to.
What is, I don't know what that means. Did I say something? I was trying to tell them about my Evie. Look at my eyes and look at Evie's eyes. You see it, Jasmine?
Little Evie.
You see little Evie? I'm a big Evie. If Evie was a big bitch. If it was a big bitch. She come through and I'm gonna Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. But
okay, I'm out here.
Bitch, you play. Oh, baby. I be checking that stream. Thank you. You should get a Pokemon tattoo so we can be twins. Listen, I had something profound.
You said I'm a Pikachu fan.
And Pikachu. You know what they say about Pikachu? Pika. Pika. Oh, when he was trying to save Ash.
What is?
Oh, no. You just ruined My child, you ruined the moment.
I'm sorry. I don't know
Because
why.
he did, when he was trying to save Ash, him and his twin, he was like, Pika! No, this twin was somewhere off dying or whatever. And he was trying to save Ash, and he's like, Pika! Now I'm going to be thinking that every time I see that part. Because you know I'm going to watch it again. Lucky, I turned it on right now. I'm just trying to say. Pikachu. But bro, Evie was just, you don't even want, I can't tell you why I really got the TV. I'm going to get blocked. I'm going to get blocked. Why? I got on clothes. I got on clothes. Maybe I should have put on another shirt. If the goals... wait. Oh my gosh. Y'all, show to put the camera. I ain't got nothing incriminating over here.
Put the camera on what?
I was just trying to show the thing.
Oh my.
Just flip it a little bit. They can't see. It's burning. It's catching on fire. Y'all see it now? They can see it. Look what I did. Oh my god. Okay, I need to get it out of there because now I can smell it on fire. It smells like booty. Ew, it stinks.
Why would you do that? Why? Nemo.
It smells like burn. What I burned it? How did I burn it? Oh my god. Oh Lord, have mercy. I done burned the good Cheez-Its.
It was big stink.
I told you it stank.
Dudes are weird, bro. Why this dude that I didn't Instagram talk about he ain't had no Snapchat with me? And then I go and look on his page like weeks later and he has a Snapchat on there.
So he tripping, he lying.
Bro, what? He said
he's a liar.
He said he don't have no Snapchat, that his ex-girlfriend messed it up. So like what does that mean?
Oh, you know what, a dude told me that and he had him on Snapchat the next day.
Like what? So you just went and made a Snapchat, bro?
Is that Nikita?
Yeah, it is.
You should have just pulled up. We was wondering if we should see what you was doing. I can't even pick this up again because I think I'm gonna drop it. What'd she say?
Nothing. You already see.
Is that what she said?
She in there. She said she just got home.
Oh. Did you post on Snap? You should look at her Snap.
I'm actually getting those.
We sleep. We up.
Let's push.
It's not midnight yet.
It ain't.
I know
actually,
it
is. It is midnight.
It's past midnight.
Yeah, it's midnight. Wow. It is midnight.
We are terrible people.
I don't play the game at all today.
We're not proud of you. What you gonna do when we move together? We're gonna be playing all the time.
I'm gonna be able to get
That's gonna be our job. You know that, right?
Yeah. That could be my job.
It's gonna be our side job because we're gonna have another job.
Yep.
We're gonna have some more jobs. We gotta have residual income, multiple streams of income, manifesting it into. I already have multiple streams of income. I'm just trying to get us on. so we can get our stream.
Bye boy.
Uh,
Bye boy.
Bye bye boy. Bye 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 boy. Bye bye bye. When I was younger, me and my sisters, we didn't have like our own language, but we talked. We had code names for everything. My code name. So I'm fat. I'm fat, bro. You know this. Everybody know this. I like to sneak. My 2 things when I was a kid, root beer and cookies. My mama had to hide the root beer and the cookies. If I was trying to get my sister to sneak me some root beer, I would be like, Kayla, if you give me some barbecue sauce, I'll make sure that, what did I say? I would, what does she like to eat? She like to eat sugar, like raw sugar. She would just eat raw sugar. So I liked root beer. My mom will hide the root beer. My sister small. Yeah, so she just had really
raw sugar.
My sister still has really bad eating habits.
Eating sugar, no, Papa.
Yeah. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Whatever he said. But Kayla, that's why when she got pregnant, she had diabetes when she got pregnant, because she has. Hey, my sister liked to indulge. She's that person, but she didn't like gain weight. Like I got chunky. I'm chunky. I'm still cute. We all cute. We cute.
Yes.
But like I said, my sister as she got older, she started. Whenever she got pregnant, she get diabetes. Like right now, she's pregnant, so she can't have certain things. So when I was younger, I would tell her, I said, go get me some barbecue sauce, and I'll make sure you get your honey. My mom was not thinking twice. When we was kids, we drank green tea, so we always had honey and barbecue sauce. 9 times out of 10, we was having some terrible like Spam or bologna, or we ate a lot of really bad meats when we were kids. Just the 99-cent meat, we ate that. 99-cent meat is mystery meat, and it's nasty. But my mama knew that I would put hot random sauces on my hot dogs or whatever to make them taste better. So barbecue sauce. And she never said anything. Then one day, we didn't know that my mama had, she booby trapped where the snacks and stuff was at. And she came home, she said, so which one of y'all got? Let me see y'all fingers. So first she asked if we went to her room, and she was like, no. And to get in her room, we had to unlock the door. She had a little, I don't know why it never occurred to me that some random little nail would cut my finger. My mom's so smart. She's a nerd, but she's also really smart. That's why I chase the bag the way I do. That's why I was like, I'm going to go to college even though I know it's useless, because I like to learn. So my mom booby trapped it so it would cut whoever tried to open the door. It was not like a cut, but it'll leave a little scratch. So she said, let me see your fingers. And she whooped my butt. I was like,
girl, evidence.
My gosh, how is my mama so slick? And it was you know how you get it out the toys, it's like that little spring? It was one of those. And my stupid ass, bro, my little stupid ass, I could have figured that out. You know how I be saying, I be acting like Light Yagami? You haven't seen Death. Have you seen Death Note? Do you know that he's the one that was writing the book? You know that he's the one who thinks he thinks he's the Almighty. Mm-hmm. And that's why when I was growing up, after I saw that, I said, bro, I'm light. That's why I died laughing when I saw Mark say that. And he said, out here trying to be like Yagami. I said, bro, I'm really out here doing it.
Marco.
Bean. Butter bean.
Look talk about your man.
I'm not going to talk about my man. Sorry. Is that I don't like it. If Berlizzi or Mark Phillips, what is Berlin's last name? I don't remember. Berlin or Mark. If both of them was right in front of me, I do not know who I would choose. I would just be like, Easy Gang, RDC World, can we immerse in just a real... Can we immerse?
There you go with that immerse.
Berlizzi said it. And then I got footage on my TikTok of Mark saying it. She was just immersing the stream. Because we was.
Oh, Berlizzi said it.
It was Mark. It wasn't Berlizzi. Releasy was the one. Nah, you know what? Releasy say a lot of things. I don't remember. I remember when I said Mark said y'all suck, and he was like, "Well, you over here now." Ask Mark where you at. Oh, you can't because you're over here and not over there. I said, Berlin, that's the only thing you read. I sent so many messages, and that was the only one. That's the only message he read when I was trying to instigate. I was just kidding. I was not serious. But he did. Mark got me because he said my name. He got me. He said my name. He said, Fat Queen said her girlfriend gonna leave her. And said, yes. So that's the one I got on my TikTok. And that one was hilarious. Hey, yo. I'm gonna get off of live. I'm gonna come back in like 10 minutes. Can you end? Do you know how to end that? Yeah. Just push it's at the bottom.
Oh, no, you almost burned my thing.
No. Push the...
This one.
Yeah. Yeah.